Well, some of we'll have to again we'll have to look into the details of that because there are here's the other thing because some of the big ticket projects in public works that used to be put in the into the how do you say the unappropriated funds in the reserves. Now, I'm saying, I told them, I asked the House, huwag na natin kasi babalik-balikan pa natin yan para mailagay doon sa project, which is a delay. Because sana we normalize what we are doing so that it's already in the GAA, hindi dun sa reserves. So that's what pinapalitan talaga natin the way we do it para maging mas mabilis ang takbo. You know, we're as of the end of the year, we're 2.5 years already working. 3.5 years left. We have to get these things done. We have to get all the structures in place already. So we're changing. But ganyan talagang budget processes are doing so. So we look into the big the insertions in the public works and see which ones are absolutely necessary. And maybe baka yung iba, titignan natin kung talaga bang critical. We'll see. But public works is still going to be one of the top recipients of budget. Marami na tayong ginagawa. We have big projects that we have to put in place. Infrastructure is really important. And don't forget, flood control became such a big part of the work of the Department of Public Works. They have to build things that we never had to build before. Binabantayan lang namin, especially the ODA project, binabantayan talaga namin is to make sure that our debt ratios are still